All right, we're going to go ahead and try to do the spin test. So let me see if I can do this with right there, holding the spin soil level, and we're gonna go ahead and hold those, and we're gonna hit power button. Give it a second to think. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Come on. Okay, it's not working. All right, let's try this again. So there are two test modes. I'm gonna go ahead and do temp and spin. This right here is different from this. So this temp and spin, when you hold these guys down and you hit the power button, it turns on the LED display. So all it's doing is just turning on every single light on here. And I would assume that the manufacturer uses that to check if all the LEDs and lights are working. Actually, that is the exact explanation that ChatGPT gave me, and it makes sense. So we're gonna go ahead and hold these, the temp and the spin level, and we're gonna hit power. There we go. So you see that? Every single function lit up. Now, you can't do anything here, so that's fine. For whatever reason, I have to do this first before I do the other spin test service mode. So we're gonna go ahead and kill this guy. All right, and then we're gonna do spin and soil level. We're gonna hold those guys down, and we're gonna hit power. Oh, there it is. Look at that. So this is where you can toggle and select. Let's see. Spin, TST. These are all different meanings for service codes. Now I would have to open up the service manual. I can probably do that by pulling up ChatGPT, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna go right into spin. So right there, that's what we're concerned with, and we wanna test it, right? So, makes funny sounds, it's okay. Watch it spin. Look at that bad boy. All right, I'm gonna stop it. All right, the only reason why I did that is because I still have the lid taken apart, so it's not as rigid as it should be. So that's okay though. But anyways, I made this video for folks that want to get into it. You want to figure out, well, what the hell's the matter with my washing machine? I bought this guy a number of years ago. I think I paid $2,000 a piece for these. These were expensive, and for my family, it was probably the most significant purchase we had. I have 3 kids, 1 dog, multiple animals. So, you know, we have to have really good washing machines and units. And this right here was a big purchase for us. So this one has been running great. The thing is, this is the first time we ever had any issues with it. And the second option, if I wasn't able to get this thing to run, is guess what? Buy a new washing machine. And I don't feel like putting $2,000, $3,000, $1,800, $4,000, whatever the heck they cost now, on credit. I don't feel like doing that. I think most of you don't want to either. So guess what? Get into it, break it. I mean, it wasn't running. Worst thing I was gonna do is really need to spend the money and shell it out. So at the end of the day, you know, I spent $100 and I got it running back again, as opposed to $2,000 on a brand new machine. So just signing off, letting folks know, get in there, get dirty, break shit, especially if it's broken first. That's my one disclaimer. Don't go breaking shit if it's running good. All right, good luck. See ya.